Over 90% of existing U.S. single-family homes are under-insulated, meaning there is untapped potential all around you. Adding attic insulation or re-insulating the attic is a good way to improve the comfort of a home and increase the take per job. The Owens Corning ProCat Professional Loosefill insulation system, combined with our attic accessories, provides you with a fast, simple, clean, and controllable solution to help you meet customer needs. With a limited lifetime warranty for performance and Green Guard indoor air quality certification, ProCat provides a great insulation solution for both contractors and homeowners. To get started, measure the existing attic insulation and determine how much is already there. Then simply consult this map from the Department of Energy and the coverage chart on the back of the ProCat package to figure out how much insulation you'll need to add. To prep the attic, you'll want to install raft-R-mate attic vents for proper ventilation. These prevent insulation from filling eave space, avoiding wind wash, which can lead to unwanted heat loss around the perimeter of the attic. Attic rulers to help make it easy to install the proper amount. Our multi-purpose insulation roll, which unrolls and cuts easily for spot insulation and insulating gaps. And Pro Pink Comfort Seal gun foam to seal any air leaks in the attic. Our gun foam works great for interior and exterior use, is tack-free in just 5 minutes, fully cures in 24 hours, will adhere to most building materials, is water-resistant and will not harm electrical wire insulations, rubber, PVC, CPVC, polyethylene, or other plastics. Now you are ready to start blowing insulation. Start by plugging the extension cord into the ProCat machine. Then connect the hose to the machine and take the other end of the hose into the attic. The machine accommodates a half bag of ProCat Loosefill insulation, so just cut the bag on the line, snap it in two, and slide it into the opening. A built-in cutting blade will release the insulation into the machine, and you can pull the bag away. The machine can be started from the machine itself or from the installer remote. Press the norm or dense button to begin the flow of insulation. There is a slight delay from the time the blower starts and the time the agitators begin rotating. To stop the flow of insulation at any time, press the stop button. This will stop the ProCat machine. Direct the hose towards the eave and use dense blow mode with the dense blow adapter connected, beginning at the point furthest from the attic opening. Using dense blow around eaves creates an optimal insulation density. Also, using this mode in tight spaces and near the opening of an attic prevents blowback. Add additional half bags one at a time when the feeder is emptied and agitator paddles are visible through the window. When not insulating near eaves or tight spaces, press Norm to switch back to normal mode. Use this mode for the majority of the attic. As each attic section fills, slowly move backward toward the attic opening. Repeat this process until the attic is fully insulated. Before finishing, be sure vents and heat generating fixtures are not covered with insulation. To complete the project and maximize comfort and energy savings, be sure to add the Owens Corning Attic Stairway Insulator or Attic Hatch Bag. The Attic Stairway Insulator comes fully assembled and is easy to install. Simply unfold and place over the attic opening. This will reduce air leaks and add extra insulation to the home. The Attic Hatch Bag is a loose-fill insulation bag which can be used for covering the attic hatch, an insulation block at the eaves, or as fencing around the attic opening. It is flexible to fit different hatch sizes for ease of use. Simply fill the bag to achieve R60 and it will self-seal. When you're done, the attic should have a smooth, level layer of insulation and all of the bags calculated should have been used. Attic insulation projects are an easy way to improve the energy efficiency of a home and save the customer money. If the loose fill option isn't for you, you can also pick up some Owens Corning pink fiberglass bats or rolls to get the job done right. Whether you choose the ProCat Professional Loosefill Insulation System or Owens Corning Bats and Rolls, you will experience all the benefits that come from installing Owens Corning Pink Insulation while helping make your customer's home a better place to be.